Hey guys, this is Anthony from E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about hanging doors. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We always love new subscriptions. New subscriptions often lead to new viewership. New viewership often leads to new work, and that's what we're doing here. Let's get into it. Hanging the door in a new construction project doesn't just start with installing the door. It starts with the actual plan. You have to plan which door goes where. By code, there are certain doors that go in certain applications. Okay, now we're at the exterior door aisle. And we're not doing exterior doors today, but at E Talley Construction, we do all kinds of doors. One of our favorite doors, one of our go-to doors to sell to our customers is this door here. This door simulates a 9-light door, but now it's kind of modernized. The modern portion of it is that it has a blind insert in it, and everyone loves that. You get all the natural light, but you don't have to worry about a metal door and trying to fix a blind on it. The blind is already here, and it really works wonderful. We do that door in most of the house flips that we do. So we just want to take a moment to show you one of the exterior doors. There's so many different options as it relates to doors. You know, you kind of like buying a pair of shoes, whatever fits you. You might want to use a craftsman style door. You might want to use a fiberglass door. There's so many different options. So after you're on the job site and you're quantifying, we've already measured each doorway. So we know when we order these doors, what's the way the door swings, what size the door is, what the height of the door is, and what the door application is. So again, the measuring part and double checking the measurement is so important in installing a door. If you don't have the right door opening, then you have an issue with, you know, maybe too much gap, the door racking. If the door's racking, that means it's not closing properly. This is a multi-family building, so we have a wide range of doors here. And again, the wide range of doors covers a wide range of functions for the doors. This here is a typical 2-panel door. Typical 2-panel hollow door, okay? And this is, you know, for your bedrooms and what have you. And this is exactly what we are showing you now. So this is what you'll see as the norm for right now in construction. Okay, so here's another door in this building here, different type of door. Like I said, there's plenty of types of door. And this is just a sliding door. We're gonna still use a 2-panel door, hollow metal door, but in a different application, which is a sliding door. And you know, unlike some of the other videos, how-to, where you got the people acting like they're installing doors, my strength is to make sure the doors get installed and make sure we got the right people doing the right job. And that's what we're doing now. So here we have, in this building, we have between the two buildings, we probably have 90 doors to hang. All right, we're rocking and rolling. We probably got 30 doors hung in a day. Doors. Louver doors always go in where the mechanical rooms are. This is where the mechanical room is, just so there's proper ventilation in here. And it's always difficult to get these darn things. So we really had to work hard on trying to get these things, and we got it. So here we have one of the finished doors. Yeah, I'm laughing because I'm coming inside So here's we have one of the finished fire-rated doors, okay? Again, we're installing the doors on Saturday so that we don't have a bunch of traffic going in and out and people are like trying to get through some of the other crafts. But typical fire-rated door, 90 minutes. This one's installed properly, installed done. Each one of these will have a key fob with a buzzer on it. Great door. So one of the major nuances and just logistical things you got to take care of when you're dealing with doors is right now it's 30 degrees in this building. And we got to be able to think ahead when we hang these doors. It's going to, or later on when the heat gets on, it's going to be warm. So the doors are going to expand and contract. When they expand and contract, we have to allow for that so that we're not planing the doors, sanding the doors, and having issues later on down the line. So that's one of the things as a construction manager we do to try to figure out and mitigate all the extenuating circumstances. So once again, Anthony from E Talley Construction signing out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We love new subscriptions. New subscriptions often lead to new viewership. New viewership often leads to new projects.